What's going on, everybody? It's your fave. Today we are taking the giveaway bike out for a spin. Obviously, the weather hasn't been ideal lately. It's still pretty gross out, but we have to get this break-in done so we can finish the build. I installed the Shorty levers and the lever guards, and I need to make sure that the bike isn't slipping in any gears, because when I did this mirror build on the 2021 636, the clutch was slipping, or I guess grinding or burning. After hitting third gear, it would be like wah, wah, wah when I was like accelerating through the RPMs, and I figured out that I had this too tight, and when it's too tightly adjusted, then there's no slack and no give for when you pull the clutch in. It's popping up pretty nicely, not gonna lie. Am I riding it out? No. But it's responsive. I wonder if I can power wheelie this in a second. Kind of, but barely. It didn't quite want to go up. But alright, here we are. River Road, the best road to figure out if your bike has the clutch adjusted properly or not. So I'm going to slow it down for a second. Just get in it first. And I'm going to just go nice and slow, because I can see a car up ahead hitting those corners, and I want to make sure that I can really open this thing up and make sure that everything is adjusted properly without endangering myself or any other vehicles. So there's a car behind me, and he's getting closer. So once he's like a little bit more up on me, that's when I'll actually start and I'll hit it. Alright, looks like it's time to go. Well, we're not slipping anymore, that's for sure. She's shifting good, she feels responsive, nice and quick and snappy. I like it. I think we are doing something here. Well, that guy was flashing his lights to let us know that he passed some stadies on the way over. You love to see it. The community sticking together. Gosh, living near mountains is so great. Just to enjoy the view. Just Vermont is so beautiful. It's cold a lot of the time, but when it is warm, it's really nice. That's where I started slipping. I'm gonna have to adjust that a little bit more, probably loosen it up a little bit. I'm not slipping in third or fourth anymore. At the top end of fifth and into sixth is where I am starting to slip. So we will get that ironed out. A lot of people have been asking what kind of setup I'm using, and I am currently running a DJI Mic 2 connected to my GoPro 13 Hero Black, and I'm using the media mod and also the DJI mic receiver. Taking a little detour through campus. Just skip a couple lights, and there's no kids on campus right now, really, because they all went home at the beginning of the month. Look, a dog. Oh yeah. I adjusted the clutch properly. She's accelerating a lot quicker than she was before. I can feel it. I can feel it. Baby, why don't you just meet me